Welcome. In this video I'm gonna teach you, my friends, how to compute the following integral. So let's say you're given the indefinite integral cos cube x dx, and you have to compute this. So for this case, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to transform this integral into the following. So I separate cos cube as follows. I put cos x, and then I do cos square x dx, and then I'm gonna use the trigonometric identity that says that sine squared plus cos squared equals 1. So I'm going to transform this as cos x. I'm going to do 1 minus sine square x dx. Then I'm going to distribute. I'm gonna do cos x minus cos x sine square x dx. And of course this is dx. So let's do the left side part. The left side part says that cos x, that the antiderivative of cos x, what is the antiderivative of cos x? Is sine x. Sine x. And then we do minus. Then we're gonna do a u-substitution. The u-substitution says that we let u equal sine x. And then du equals derivative of sine is cos x dx, and we see here that we have cos x dx. So this integral becomes u square du. So on the side I'm gonna put u equals sine x. Let's not forget this. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to integrate this. So I'm going to do this is equal to sine x minus u cube over cube plus c. And what is u? U equals sine x. So we're gonna do sine x minus sine cube x over 3 plus c. And this will be the final answer. See, this is a indefinite integral. I have to put a constant plus c. So that's all I wanted to teach you on this video. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, please.